उसमें क्या अपडेट है, लेकिन उससे पहले केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, सीधे लिए चलेंगे।
In terms of expediting the execution of stalled projects will continue to play a very important role. Government spending in infrastructure has increased, and the banks themselves have felt that in sectors like roads, government spending in infrastructure has increased, and the banks themselves have felt that in sectors like roads, renewable energies, the effect of that is now being felt. Retail credit has picked up. It's the corporate credit which are still to pick up. And therefore, amongst the challenging situations which came up in order to improve the economy, and consequently the health of the banks also picks up with that. In the quarter ending 31st March 2015, the NPAs had come down from 5.64% to 5.2%. But I had mentioned earlier, one quarter itself doesn't indicate a pattern, so I would like to wait for some more time before realizing as to what the pattern is. The banks themselves are of the assessment that it may take them 2 to 3 quarters to reach a somewhat more greater comfort level. There was a lot of concern with regard to stalled projects. Many have started. And therefore we decided that even though in the Cabinet Secretariat an effort is being made, the Prime Minister himself has taken a series of meetings. The Secretary of the Department of Financial Services, in consultation with the banks, purely from the banking point of view, will prepare a list of those projects which are stalled on account of reasons of finance. And therefore that is something which we directly deal with. And both the Secretary and even when necessary at my level, we'll be calling for a meeting of the representatives of the state governments, those projects and even concerned departments over the next few weeks and trying to resolve those projects. In fact, some illustrations were also given of projects where problems are capable eminently of a easier solution. We are of course keeping our fingers crossed as far as the monsoon is concerned. We are in the midst of monsoon, and I have already announced this earlier, and I informed the bankers also that with the revenue position becoming more comfortable, there is going to be a much greater investment in agriculture, so that we are able to help for future years the rural demand itself to pick up. Banks themselves are going to make an effort to reduce their NPAs. We did ask each of the banks which has a higher NPA level to explain the reasons and those groups on account of which the defaults were higher. Additionally, the banks put up a strong case for additional capital being inducted into the banks. And over the next few months, this is something which the government is going to seriously look at. The social sector schemes were also discussed, and I'm glad to inform you that as far as the 2 insurance schemes are concerned, the Jan Suraksha and the Jeevan Jyoti Yojanas, we have now touched a figure of 10.17 crores. Now these schemes was launched on the 9th of May, and today in just 3 months and 1 month and 3 days, we've already crossed the 10 crore figure, which actually shows that in district after district of the country, lakhs and lakhs of persons are getting enrolled. The initial participation of the private sector banks in these schemes had not been as much as the public sector banks, but today, seeing the response, the private sector banks have also said that they are also receiving a very encouraging